requesting additional units in an Onyx course. In this tutorial, we'll see how instructors can add new units to their existing Onyx courses. First I logged in, then I located and clicked on the Browse eUnits for my course or courses button. The eUnits catalog page appears. If you know the name of the eUnit you are looking for, or have a keyword in mind, type it in the search box. Units that match the keyword or words will display automatically. We can see here that there are potentially 180 eUnits that we could choose from. Instead of typing a keyword in the search area, you can browse the available eUnits and click on a theme or themes from the menu. In this example, I'll click on Home and Neighborhood and in the Community. And then I'll choose the appropriate level or levels from the CLB level menu. I'll choose CLB 4 and CLB 5. With the selection of each theme and CLB level, the page refreshes, showing only those eUnits that match your search criteria. In this example, there are 8 available eUnits. Next, I'll click on an eUnit to view the description and outcomes page. When you read the description and outcomes, if you think the content is suitable, return to the eUnits catalog and click on the Pin button on the bottom right corner. A small pop-up appears to the right of your page, where the names of the pinned eUnits are listed. To add more eUnits, continue pinning them on the catalog page. To remove eUnits that were pinned by mistake, you can click on the trash icon next to their name. I'll click on this trash icon to remove it. We can see that it is now removed from this pop-up list. I'll click on this eUnit to pin it again. When all desired eUnits are pinned, click on the Request button. The course request page appears with the names of the selected eUnits in a table in the order they were selected. To change the order of the eUnits, I'll click on the crosshair icon and drag it up or down within the table. Note that you can also change the order of these eUnits after they have been added to your course. Scrolling down to the other sections of the page, I'll click on the Select a Course drop-down menu to choose the course to which I would like to add the eUnits. I'll select Beverly's class. The text boxes used to request a new course will no longer be displayed, and the name of the course the units will be added to appears in the course name text box. Finally, I'll click on the Send Request button. The Course Builder page appears, indicating that your request was received and will be reviewed by the administrative team. Once your request is approved, you will receive an email confirming that your course has been updated.